Agile Principle number 11, a gem among the principles. Let's dive right in and uncover the magic. Imagine a team that's not dependent on others to help their customers. They don't have to wait around. They have the freedom to take the wheel and make the best decisions in their customers' interest. That's a self-organizing team for you. This kind of team, they're like superheroes tackling complex problems like champions. They can dance around the boundaries that slow others down, always aiming for the best solution. What's their secret sauce, you ask? Well, it's a balance of high alignment and high autonomy. They're in sync with their goals and have the independence to act on them. Now, when you shift to bigger organizations, you'll often see a different story. A hierarchy that's all about low autonomy. It's the manager who calls the shots and tells the team what to do, and the manager's manager does the same, and so on. Here's the kicker. The team usually holds the key to solving problems, not the manager. So, in the world of Agile, there's a shift. Traditional managers get a makeover. They become guardians of the team's vision and goals, all while letting the team figure out how to achieve them. That's the heart of self-organizing teams, where leadership takes a new and exciting form. And with that, we're ready to move on to our next Agile principle, where the adventure continues.